Okay, this is my attempt to save Elisa's phone message to me from the other day.
1. New message.
Can you go on Skype, please? Call me back once you're done.
Someday you'll be a successful
And
finger painting that's out my landscape for a spot of the Guggenheim.
go on the computer. You got some candy. I'll show you what you want, candy. I'll put you on the internet. Come on, I'm gonna call you. Hey, Kathleen, come on. Hey, Kathleen, come on. Hey, Kathleen. They're so on. Video sunny. I don't know what the song is. Line girl, press girl, put it on together. See you goodbye.
That's it. I love that kid.